Bonjour mes amis! Today I'm sharing a meatloaf recipe that's not just delicious, but also packed with extra nutrients thanks to the secret ingredient, chicken liver. If you've ever been curious about how to enjoy liver without the overwhelming taste, this is a perfect recipe for you. And if you want to know why liver is so much more nutritious than regular meat, stick around until the end for a brief nutrition recap. But for now, let's get cooking! Ingredient overview. Here's what you'll need for this tasty meatloaf. 600 grams of ground beef, which is about 21 ounces. 200 grams of smoked lardons or diced pancetta, which is about 7 ounces for that rich flavor. 200 grams of chicken liver, again, that's about 7 ounces. If we can, it's always best to have our meat grass-fed and organic, but it's even more important when it comes to organ meat, especially detoxification organs like the liver. And if you're not strictly carnivore and you want to take it up a notch, you can add 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar for a touch of sweetness. Got everything? Let's move on. Method. First things first, let's preheat the oven to 180 Celsius or about 350 Fahrenheit. While that's warming up, let's chop the garlic and the onion. Now, here is a little tip. It's really important to process the garlic first so that it can sit for about 5 minutes. Why? Because allowing garlic to rest helps activate the beneficial compounds that can boost your health. This beneficial compound is called allicin. You see, when garlic is crushed or chopped, an enzyme called allinase converts allin, another compound from garlic, into allicin, which is responsible for so many of its health benefits, including antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. So, allowing garlic to sit for 5 minutes after chopping helps to maximize the production of allicin. Then chop the onion, and also chop the chicken liver in smaller pieces. Next, we'll cook the bacon lardon or diced pancetta until they're crispy golden brown. The smell is going to be amazing. Add the chopped onion and let it soften before tossing in the garlic. Give it another minute or so, and then we're ready to combine everything. Transfer that flavorful mixture into a large bowl and add in our ground beef and the balsamic vinegar. Now, get your hands in there. Mix all the ingredients by hand, as this is the best way to combine everything evenly. Personally, I recommend wearing gloves for these parts to keep it nice and clean. I love eating meat, but not so much touching it. Once everything is well mixed, line a rectangular tin with parchment paper. Here is how I do it. Take a large piece of parchment paper, using a pencil, trace around the bottom of the tin. Then cut it here and fold the paper on the sides, like that. Place your meatloaf mixture inside, shaping it nicely. And then we're going to pop it in the oven to bake for about 60 minutes. After 60 minutes, take the meatloaf out of the oven, let it cool down a bit, and drain off any excess juices in a recipient. Personally, I soak paper kitchen towels, then straight to the bin. Et voila! You can serve this delicious meatloaf, warm or cold, making it the perfect meal for a cozy dinner. Now, why incorporate liver into your diet? Chicken liver is an organ meat that offers even more nutritional benefits than regular meat. Here is why. It's an exceptional source of vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining healthy vision, supporting immune system function, and promoting healthy skin. Chicken liver is rich in several B vitamins, particularly B12, which is essential for nerve function and red blood cell production, along with B6 and folate that are important for energy metabolism and cognitive health. The liver is high in heme iron, which the body absorbs easily, making it beneficial for individuals dealing with iron deficiency and anemia. Check out the video here for more on this. In addition to iron, chicken liver is a great source of other essential minerals like zinc, which supports immune function and wound healing, and selenium, which plays a role in metabolism and has antioxidant properties. Furthermore, chicken liver is actually high in cholesterol, which can help with steroid hormone production, but also contains purines, which may be a concern for individuals with gout or specific kidney conditions. A word of caution: I would not recommend consuming liver or any other organ meat on a daily basis, whether through foods or supplements. There is a risk of vitamin A accumulation, also known as hypervitaminosis A. There is a reason why organs are relatively small. Historically, our ancestors practiced nose-to-tail eating and typically consumed only small portions of each organ. Et voilà mes amis, that's it for today's video. If you've enjoyed this recipe and are planning to give it a try, please hit the like button. It really means a lot to me. And if you're craving more amazingly and effortlessly delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Happy cooking and see you next time!